So we're talking to Simon Jackson about these wonderful customizable fountains, and he's the CEO of Hydria Life. So Simon, just tell us a bit about your company and what you're doing.
Okay, so what we have innovated is the world's first water feature kit. It's a very simple innovation. I can show you it here. We've got one here. So we have a self-contained water bowl. That means that essentially you can put this in whatever you want. You can see here we put it in some plant pots and it becomes a water feature. Okay, you can put this in a string bowl. I've even put it up here, as you can see, in a hanging basket. So that's the basic concept. You have a rechargeable water pump that pops in the middle there. It comes with a nice little USB Connect charger. You put on a decorative tray like this. This QR code just helps people understand how to use that. And then you pop that into a planter, okay? And then you have a choice of finials that you can put on the top, and these just simply click in. So if you look what's here, you just unplug that, okay? And if I wanted to, I can simply change it for this one here. All that happens is, you just change that out, very simple, plug that in. That plugs in like that, okay? And then you have a remote control, and you can use that just to change up the power if you want. If you notice that on this, so you can change the power, okay? You can change the lights. You can see there's some lights under there. They look gorgeous at night, don't look quite so good during the day. And you have timer control here. And this is probably one of the most important things. So you can set this for 1, 2, or 3 hours. If you use it for 2 hours a day, this amazing pump will run for 1.5 months before you need to charge it. And that's probably the killer innovation, because everybody wants a rechargeable water pump, water feature, but the big problem is how long can it work for before you need to recharge it. This one will go for 1.5 months. So that's our innovation. And as I said, we have a very wide range of different finials. Thanks, Kate. So this is a rather lovely one. This is what we call sea glass. We just put that on the base, put that in. This is really lovely, this one. People love these, putting these stones on, particularly kids. And there we go.
I was going to say, so this allows people to put a water feature into quite a tight space, maybe on a balcony or a patio or something like that?
On a balcony, patio, use it indoors. You're not restricted in where you put it. You can change the different decorations. Here's a beautiful mosaic here. So as many times as you want. You only ever need, you only ever need one. You only ever need one water feature. It'll last you for life because you can just change it up as often as you want.